Hello folks, and welcome to a rather tired Damien, and but quite an important video. So what you're going to see shortly will be footage of the Panzer running on the Dyno at Stonemotorsport today, Saturday, September 8th, 2018. This is the first time that I've ever ran a car on a dyno, let alone a Tesla powered one. Now, my intent for the day had been that I would have lots of different camera angles. I'd have the GoPro and various other bits and bobs set up and be able to kind of fully document the thing for you guys. Now, unfortunately, I misunderstood how the whole setup kind of worked. I thought it'd be me in the car and so on, but that wasn't the case. So things also escalated pretty quickly when we got there, to the point that I was really mobbed by people asking me questions, and I didn't have a lot of time to get set up. And then all of a sudden the car was in there and it was doing a power on, and there was all kinds of things going on. So what you're going to get is going to be, unfortunately, some shaky phone footage. I was getting increasingly nervous as the power started ramping up, so unfortunately the shake, as you will see, got a bit more pronounced as the as things progressed. So I'll show you the footage now. I will also show you then a couple of shots that I managed to take of the dyno curve, and additionally I managed to get a still there of a kind of a leaderboard of the various vehicles that had been there during the day. So that's going to be it for our dyno day footage then, and we'll do another live stream fairly soon where I can hopefully answer some questions for you guys. But it's certainly not going to be the last time that we run the Panzer on dyno. So I'm going to shut up and hand it over to me and some shaky phone footage and a screaming Panzer. So here we go.
Holy shit. Oh wow, okay.
Excuse me. Excuse me. There's a little switch on the center console that says fan. Can you kick that forward for me, please?
Can you sit in the booth? Can you sit on the booth? Can you sit in the booth?
On the rollers, yeah. It's okay, seriously, it's fine. Seriously, I'll sit on it if you want.
Alrighty folks, well I hope you've enjoyed that. As I said, it kind of wasn't exactly the format that I had anticipated, rather foolishly for me. But as I said, we're going to be going back, so hope you've enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and should you wish to build your own version of the board that you just saw running, the Tesla Drive unit, please visit the link in the description. You can go to my GitHub page and you can download absolutely free of charge all of the information that you would need to build just such a board. There will also be a link in the description there to my web shop where you can buy fully built and tested versions of that board also. So a little bit of a plug for me here. So as I say, until next time then, happy dyno testing folks.